Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick guide, I'm going to be showing you how to use the new Meta AI app from logging in to using all its cool features. First off, open your Meta AI app. Click on Get Started with Meta AI. You can sign in using your Google account or your Meta account. That includes Instagram or Facebook. Here's what the home screen looks like. At the top, you have the profile. This is where you can access app settings, change the appearance, or contact support if you need help. Just below that, there's the account center. This is where you manage your Meta account details like passwords, personal info, activity tracking across Meta apps, and payment options. Now, at the bottom of the screen, there's an input field that lets you start interacting. You can type your questions and using the plus icon, open your camera or gallery to add a photo to your prompt. If you swipe down, you'll see a mini social feed built right in. You can like, reply, share, or even remix the post in your own style. The third icon on the menu bar is the History tab. This is where all your past conversations are saved. This makes it easy to pick up where you left off. Next is the Notifications panel for important updates or suggestions. You'll also find an option to connect other Meta AI devices if you have them. It's a great way to sync everything under one account. And that's pretty much it. The app is simple, intuitive, and powerful, whether you're using it for fun, planning, or productivity. So go ahead, explore it, and see what it can do. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more quick guides. I'll see you next time.